Niku, HessAgah, and Rasta were playing slides together. Suddenly, HessAgah slid down head first and hurt his hand and started crying. Rasta was worried about HessAgah. She ran out and called the teacher. The teacher came quickly and sat beside HessAgah and observed his hand. Then she said, "Oh, fortunately, it's nothing serious. You will be fine very soon. But I'm very mad at you guys. Didn't I tell you not to slide down head first? Why didn't you not listen to me? You shouldn't do something so dangerous again." And child promised not to play dangerously again. Rasta is scared. Niku is scared. Teacher is angry. HessAgah is sad.